A social media strategy is an action plan detailing the steps you will take to create a successful social media presence. Your strategy, which just needs to be a couple of pages long, is your document that details why you are using social media. What are your objectives? It should also include vital information about who you're trying to target, where you're targeting them, so which platforms you're using, and the approach you're going to take on each platform, whether that is posting regular content, whether it's running competitions, or maybe using social media advertising. Your strategy also should detail your approach to customer service. How often are you checking your presences? Who's responsible for responding to customer inquiries and requests? And how is that divvied up amongst your team? Plus, where are you gathering content from? Is someone responsible for taking photos and videos? Or is it more of a team effort? All of this information should go into your strategy, and then your strategy can be presented to everyone in the pub so that you all know who's doing what and how the responsibility is split up amongst your workforce. Taking this step really helps to make your social media more consistent, to create a better brand for your pub online, and hopefully drive more customers in to your premises. Let's take a look at a few of the key things that you should include in a social media strategy. Firstly, what are your goals? What are you trying to do with your social media? Is it about increasing your bookings? Maybe it's just simply about driving more customers into your pub. Perhaps it's offering a better customer service or faster customer service via social media channels. Whatever it is, have a think about maybe your 3 top priorities for social media this year. Next, who are you trying to reach with your social media efforts? Understanding who it is you're trying to target, whether they're sports fans, foodies, or afterworks drinkers. Have a think about how you're going to approach them with your content and also which platforms you're going to use. Next, have a think about which social media platforms are going to be the ones to go for. Facebook and Instagram being the most obvious choices, given that they are 2 of the most popular social media platforms in the country. But also, do you have an opportunity to also experiment with TikTok? Or are you using Twitter? Where are your customers? Have a chat with a few of them and see which social media platforms they use and where they're most likely to see messages from your pub. Next, what kind of content are you going to be posting? Your strategy should include a mixture of text, graphics, photography, and of course video as well. Think about the platforms which you're using, Facebook or Instagram, and how the content you post will display differently on each. So for example, if you use a graphic on Facebook, does it look visible on a mobile phone? Is it easy to read? If you're using photography, is there a chance to get a whole host of photography? So you can host an album like this one on the right, which looks incredibly professional and engaging. And finally, how will you measure the effects of your social media? So all of the social media platforms offer free analytics. So you can jump into the analytics section of Instagram, like in this example, or Facebook or TikTok, and you can find out just exactly how many people you've reached, that's accounts reached, with your social media content. Accounts engaged means how many people have clicked on your posts. And then, of course, you can see how many people are also following you. So these are really good indicators as to how popular your content is. Overall, your social media strategy is your roadmap to help you achieve your specific business goals and engage with your online audience. By thinking about all of these different elements to a strategy, you can create a far more consistent social media presence and get everyone who works in your pub on side to help you create better content and offer an amazing online customer service.